What up, guys? EG Vlogs back here with another video. Got some messy hair right now, but I'm not gonna even matter. Or I'm not gonna even. It doesn't even matter that I'm not gonna do it. There, sorry. It's hard to think. I literally woke up 10 minutes ago. Today we are going boating, so that's gonna be pretty fun. I just had a bowl of cereal made. This is what the boat looks like. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's okay. Yeah, got some breakfast, and then we're gonna leave soon.
Have you eaten yet?
Got some cereal. Nope.
I'm gonna eat it for you.
Nope. Okay. So, we're out here just chilling, not really doing much. Well, at least I am. Rainstorm over there. Yep, there you go. Thunder. Let's do a tour of this boat.
Sorry, Carter, but I can't find it.
You know what? We'll save that for later. Well, we are figuring out what exactly we want to do in its room. Well, that sucks, but it's all good. Already, we're getting ready to go. Gonna grab our fishing poles and head out soon. Just took off, leaving the house. And it's like 1:23 or something like that. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Cool footage is going on too. Also have a Jimmy Rig umbrella. Got some people over there fishing. Guess they're having a great time. And yeah, still chilling. This guy's a fountain over there. Pretty cool. It's got a pretty nice house too. It's a weird boat. There's a weird boat back there that was like a big old box, floating box. Got a pretty cool tree right there. Pretty nice. I like it.
It's a $45.
And then I don't know. I wonder where we're gonna get out. We're just going through under bridge. Cool. Alright, we're out here finally. Our little canals area. Probably start a montage now. There's a jellyfish over there. We're just missing this bunch of tiny fish. It's pretty interesting. Alright, that's the jellyfish right there. It's super interesting. Oh, that's so weird. Alrighty, we are here at a sandbar, just chilling, having some fun. We have left the sandbar now, we are going to a different place.
I got a million trillion things I'd rather fucking do than to be fucking with you. Little stupid ass, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a
Josh caught a crab. It's not moving.
Get a picture of it, not clear.
We have made a quick pit stop, and we were fishing, and then we're going to go back home now. We are about to enter the canals right now. There's a guy about to jump off the bridge. Oh my God, he's gonna do it. Well, there you go. Gotta be fun. Alrighty, we're pulling up on our street for the canal. Yep, that over there. Pulling up here now. Whew, got the dog dog's over there. All right. Back at the house.
Otherwise it blows with like the black
Okay, this is part 2 of finding the GoPro. Today we have glow sticks and rubber gloves.
Part
Can
2
it
of
be
Finding
done?
Nemo.
We got Josh helping, and we
Nemo's
still
down
have our audience here. So we got a
Chase is
drunk
on
guy.
that way, too.
Is there any more gloves, or is there only 2 pairs?
There's 2 pair. Buy me 2 pair. I got 2 pair. And the search begins.
Is it warm?
A little bit.
All right. You got 2 in.
No.
Full speed
Got
ahead,
3 in.
Captain.
All right, we got ourselves a
doing?
party.
Stepped on something and it didn't feel right.
Was it a GoPro?
Feel down there. You got a glove.
It could have been a GoPro.
Give your brother a glove, Carter.
Actually, I took a dump right over there the other day. So, it might be
Yeah, toss them over there.
Alright, before you guys in there, we gotta find out. It's gonna be,
It gonna happen.
tonight's gonna be monumental.
Elijah, do not get your ears in that water, though.
Yeah.
No orifices
I have cuts. and
other
I'm
than your
here.
booty hole in that water.
Worried about ear holes? Cut my leg on a rusty barnacle and everybody's worried about getting water in their ears. We were all out in the water today.
Don't go past Elijah. I think that's as far as it would.
Carter, what'd you find? Woo!
Alright, now put it on like
So basically right now we're gonna go on a bike ride, but yes, Carter has found his GoPro. He's one lucky dude. Alright, we're here at the Big Olaf. There's a huge line, but I got some in. Alright, we have left the Big Olaf, finally got our ice cream, and yeah, we're gonna go head to the beach now, see what it's like. Alright, we're here. You guys can't really see much, but it's pretty dark. Just hold in here, there's a little snail here. Should I just like pick it up by the shell?
No, because then you gotta wash your hands. Just kick it with your feet over into the. Gently though, don't kill it.
I scared him, so. There we go. Alright.
Alright, put the clothes.
Alrighty, well, I'm about to go to bed after I edit, so if you guys did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, which will probably be boating tomorrow and the day after that, so peace.
What do I